Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Sunny C. Thank you so much for tuning back in with me. If this is your first time, hey, welcome to the family. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a quick little video on how I make my lip gloss named Vegan. So please keep watching if you want to know all the details.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make.
Hey y'all, so I'm sure you guys heard that All Pretty Cosmetics will be relaunching soon, so get y'all coins together. This is one of the lip glosses that will be launching with my other ones, and her name is called Vegan. Now she's a clear gloss, she's the baddest bitch. So first you want to get your base, which I got from TKB Trading, and then you want to get your oils. I actually use clear oils for my clear lip gloss only because I don't want that dark tint. I want it to actually be clear. So I use coconut oil, I use my clear preservative, and I use peppermint oil. I do have a syringe and pipette as well, and then I have my mixing bowls just to help me out. So here I am just adding, I have my base in already. Now I'm going to add my coconut oil in, and I mean, it's up to you how much you would like to put into your base. And then, I mean, it's all up to you. You know what, I do take that back. You don't want to overload the base with too much oil because that will make your lip gloss really runny. And I don't know about y'all, but I like a nice consistency when it comes to my lip gloss. I don't want it too thick or too runny, but just be mindful, the thicker the gloss, the longer it'll last. So if that's something that you're interested in, you just want to make sure you balance it out and have the right consistency with it. And just a little quick FYI, you also want to eye how much liquid you put in your base, period. Like as far as if you have a liquid pigment, you just want to be mindful of how much liquid you're actually putting into your base, just so you can maintain that right consistency that you want. Now I'm going in with the preservative, y'all. I highly recommend you get a preservative if you're making any kind of cosmetics. This just really expands the shelf life, because I don't know about y'all, but I like to use my product until it's gone, all the way gone, you know. And now I'm going in with the peppermint oil just for some nice little scent. You know, just like a nice little minty scent to go with the clear gloss, you know, because I like a classic, you know, everybody likes a classic gloss. I'm sorry, y'all, I had to smell like, oh my god, this peppermint smells so good. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with minty stuff, so this may be my favorite gloss, but I don't know, I got some shit coming for y'all. All Pretty Cosmetics is coming, and we're coming hard. We're coming hard in the paint, you know? Now that that's out the way, we're going to prepare our syringe to fill up our tubes. Now, you do need a catheter syringe. You can find these from Amazon. They have like 8 for like $6, y'all. Like, it's really cheap. And the pipettes, they come with like 200 for probably about $7, which is not bad as well. And I know y'all are like, where did she get this acrylic lipstick holder from? I need this in my life. Well, I got it from Amazon, y'all. Like, I get all of my stuff. Well, not all of my stuff, but majority of my business stuff. So here I am loading up the syringe. You can do this one or two ways. So you can either fill it, take off the top and fill it like this. I recommend you keep the cap on the bottom so it doesn't come out as you're scooping it into the actual syringe itself. Or you can suction your lip gloss base out of the bowl. However you want to do it, the scoop or the sucking method. I'm surprised I actually use the scooping method. I usually do the suction method because I feel like I just feel like it's less time consuming. So here I am. You do have to cut the pipette. You have to cut the tip off, and then you have to cut the bulky part of it off just so it can fit on the syringe. You make sure it's secure. Some people put tape on there just to make sure the pipette is connected to the syringe. and then you just start filling. Sorry to bother y'all. I know that was so satisfying to watch. I was watching it myself like, dang, that looks so cool. But I just want to let y'all know, with filling squeeze tubes, you really want to work side to side, making sure you fill all those air bubbles, or at least as much air bubbles as you can, just to get like that full use out of the gloss. Like, because you don't want to short your clients on any lip gloss. At least I don't want to short mine, so I'm filling them up to high capacity, if you know what I'm saying. Everything is full. Okay, now we're on to the next. We're going to fill in some wand tubes. Now, I do not fill my wand tubes all the way, only because I have jumbo wands. Like, once y'all see these wands, they are so big and fluffy and smooth. Oh my god. So you really don't want to fill these all the way. However, the gloss is banging. I fill them up to as much as I can, so they won't spill over. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.